trying to do Slavic doll makeup. This is my inspo for today. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first step is foundation. I don't own foundation, so I just stole my sister's one. This is the Fit Me foundation in shade 101. She's like really lighter than me, so I don't really know how this is gonna go. Okay guys, I applied the foundation just like with my finger, and now I'm gonna blend it all out. I really hope I don't end up looking like James Charles again, because I did Latina makeup one time. Foundation's done, and now I'm gonna do concealer. Also spot conceal any spots. I woke up with like 5 spots on my face. I think it was like yesterday. I'm like, boy, what the hell? Shoot that boy in the head. Shoot that boy in it. Now that the concealer's done, I'm gonna go in with some Catrice palette. I don't know, but I'm just gonna use the contour or bronzer. I also don't know what it's called. Do I know anything? No. Anyway, use some foundation to kind of blend it all out, because I feel like their contour is barely visible, and I know you guys were dragging me in the comments saying, blend out your nose contour, you ugly little shit. I literally put in the caption, don't mind my nose contour, but I guess nobody really reads captions anymore, so mama. Okay, and now we're gonna blend out all the concealer. Guys, I really want to start that thing where it's like 30 days of Halloween makeup, because I wanted to do it last year so bad, but I didn't really have the equipment to do all that. I think this year I'll be able to do it, so comment down below any looks that you guys think I should try, like clown makeup, deer makeup. I really want to do Catherine Pierce makeup. What else did I want to do? I want to do Corpse Bride. I don't know, there's like loads of ideas that I really want to do. If you guys want to see me do any specific looks, let me know. I think I have like 10 looks in mind, so I need 20 more. So you guys, please tell me you guys see an unknown number. Like, that lady's crazy. She had the audacity to go, you guys probably think I'm a crazy lady. What else are we supposed to think? Also, why is nobody talking about how she's a literal pedo? Did we all see the same text messages that she was sending? I have to put my sister's foundation back before she comes home and beats my ass. Now I'm gonna powder under my eyes. Okay, next I'm gonna move on to blush, and I'm gonna be using a flower nose blush, the perfect shade. Like, I don't even want to use it because it looks so pretty. Let's just all take a minute to appreciate how beautiful this blush is. I have to stop with my blush addiction because their blush is like kind of barely visible, so this is where we're gonna leave it. Now I'm gonna move on with my brows, and I'm gonna try and make them very skinny, very straight. Now I'm gonna move on to the eyes. Disclaimer, once again, I'm not good at like eye makeup, so don't get too excited. Okay, I'm gonna use another flower nose palette, and I'm gonna use this shade right here, and I'm gonna put it all over my eyes. I should use this one. Okay, never mind, I changed my mind. I'm gonna use this shade. I'm gonna put this all over my eyelids. I'm gonna put the leftover eyeshadow under my eye. I'm gonna put some like black over here to create a little wing. It's okay if it's messy because we're gonna like blend it out anyways. I'm blending it out with this like angled brush. Okay, I use navy eyeshadow for like the under of my eyes, trying to like get them very precise. Hopefully you guys won't be able to tell and just think it's black. Next, I'm going to use another flower nose product. This is like a highlighter stick. I'm going to use this part, and I'm just going to fill in the little space between my eyes. I'm also going to use this stick as my highlighter for my nose contour because I didn't yet do that. We're looking crazy, but now we're going to do our lash routine, and I'm sure you guys already know my lash routine, so I'm going to do my lashes and I'll be right back. Lashes are done. Every time I try a different makeup look that involves eyeshadow, my lashes always turn out horrible, so don't mind my lashes today, you guys. I'm gonna try and move on to the lip combo. Kind of scared because their lip combo looks really light. I don't have any like liners that look that light, so I'm gonna try and cover it up with concealer, but first I'm gonna overline the shit out of my lips. And now I'm gonna move on to some lipstick. This is Primark lipstick in shade Mustard. And then last but not least, I'm gonna use some clear gloss. Okay, now the makeup is finished. The look isn't, because what kind of Slavic doll would I be if I didn't have blonde hair? Also got a little fur hat. Hey! Okay guys, tell me how you guys think I did. I feel like my makeup is more like darker shades compared to the girl. She has like more brown shades. But other than that, I don't think I did too bad. But anyways, I love y'all so much and hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye!